And I know they really wish we would fall till we fall. I'm the big bad wolf, it's a full moon, y'all.
What's up guys, Teach Him Duke City Kicks here, coming at you guys with another video. And today what I have here is just going to be a quick and short video on how you could track any item coming from Yeezy Supply. Now, Yeezy Supply is pretty much a Kanye West retailer that sells merchandise all the way from clothing to shoes. Now, Yeezy Supply also has a pretty bad reputation for not pretty much giving their customers their tracking number when it comes to their the items that they ordered from their website. So to help counter this, I have 3 quick and easy steps that you can go ahead and do just so you can find your tracking number for your package. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and download the UPS app. Now the UPS app is pretty much going to be on the Apple or Android store, and it's pretty much the same thing as you would see on the desktop version. So once you go ahead and do that, the second step is go ahead and make an account. You know, put in your email, your password, all your other information, and this will lead to the third step, and this is the most important step to getting your tracking number. This third step you want to go ahead and do is put the same address that you put in on your order on the UPS app. Essentially what this is going to go ahead and do is this is going to go ahead and pull any orders that will be coming to your house, and it will give you the tracking number along with that order. So for example, when I went ahead and did this, since the Yeezy Supply never gave me my tracking number, I put in the address that was on this order onto the app, and it went right away. It pulled the order that I had got from these guys. Now my order came from a place called Fulfillment in Ontario, California. I ordered these on the 20th, and it took about 6 days to get to me, and then on the 7th day, a full week after, that's when I got my tracking number through Yeezy Supply. So I'm gonna say that right now, if you haven't received yours, this is probably gonna be your best bet to get your tracking number and to see your status of your package. If it's been a few weeks since you haven't received any tracking number and you've tried this, I definitely try to contact Yeezy Supply and then UPS and then see what's going on with your package then. So I hope that helped you guys out. This was just something that I had to do a little bit of research because I was pretty scared that I wasn't going to receive my package just based off the reputation. And this was my very first purchase with these guys. I don't know if I'm going to purchase from them again just because it's pretty sketchy, the business they kind of do. It's kind of, you know, slow. It's just hard that they can't fulfill the demand that they're receiving through all their customers. So I'm definitely probably going to stay away from these guys in the future. So that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe for more content every week. This is T signing out, guys. Peace!